today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple loaded baked potato salad. You're not going to want to miss this one. All right, so a little backstory on this recipe. This recipe came from Gater Taters that Wes dropped a bomb on us. I was tasting those Gater Taters, and like in the video, I said these taste way better before I cooked them than after they cooked them. And then we were sitting around that week, and I was like, we can do this better. That's just what we do. We take average and make it way better. So that's what we're doing here today. This is my rendition, I should say our rendition. A lot of people poured into this recipe. This is simply loaded baked potato salad. If this doesn't get knocked out of the park, I'm gonna be shocked. I cannot wait to see. I've been thinking about this recipe for a while, so let's just get it mixed up. First things first, taters. Red, small taters. The trick to this and pulling it off is boiling your potatoes the night before. Putting them in the fridge to let them cool. Because if you try to do this while they're hot, not going to be pretty. A lot of restaurants will actually do this with their leftover baked potatoes. So what we got here is either one large bunch of green onions or two small. Just dump them in. One packet of homemade ranch. The only way to go. 16 ounces of cheese, shredded. We'll save a little bit for the top. 1 pound of bacon. I'm also going to save a little bit for the top. I'm putting in about 8 ounces of sour cream. You use whatever you like. Just kind of feel like it needs to be in there since it's loaded baked potato. And now we mix. This is going to take a month of Sundays to mix up. Homemade. Welcome to Kosmos Homemade channel. This is a lot of potato salad. We could have probably cut this recipe in half. But I have a feeling it'll all get ate. This is it. I'm telling you guys. All right, let's get her bowled up. I think I'm gonna have to go with this ginormous bowl now. Good luck to me getting it in there. This is some Martha Stewart right here. There we go. Come on, man. I'll take that to the cookout, son. All right, now we gotta dress her up. A little bit more cheese. Can't forget the chives. All right, so I'm not gonna lie to you. This is gonna be fantastic, I already know it. The only thing I think you need to do, you have to do from this point, is put it in the fridge and let it set overnight. 1 day, 2 days, 7 days. It's just only gonna get better. Let's try it. Yep. Oh yeah. I don't even care if you like potato salad. You're gonna love this, absolutely. If you're sitting in the front of the stands, the back of the stands, it doesn't matter. This one just does it a little different. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. Go print this recipe off over at kosmosq.com/recipes. Make it for yourself and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Stay in your lane, skinny pants boy. Next time we'll be using canned.